Hi guys, I am Ankit. Welcome back to Arduino platform IO series. This is second lecture. Let's have little recap of last lecture. In last lecture, we have set up platform IO and write hello world code and complied hex. Let's flash and check it whether it is working or not. You can see I have B to A type USB cable. B-type will be connect with Arduino B-type socket. And A-type will be connect with laptop or your CPU. Now let's open Device Manager of Windows and check whether Arduino COM port is shown or not. Please keep in mind COM port number may be different in your machine. So to verify which COM port is for Arduino, you can plug and remove the cable, so that Arduino COM port will remove when USB unplug and again appear when reconnect. Now let's open the VS Code. You can see there is already Hello World project file is opened. Let's open the src folder and open the main.cpe file. You can see in void setup, there is one line serial.begin in brackets 9600 is written. This is actually the baud rate. We will discuss it later. Let's recompile the project and see whether is it okay or not. Now compilation is done. Let's install one more extension for reading the serial monitor. First of all, we have to go the Add Extensions icon and press the icon. Now search the serial monitor. Now click on first link and then install extension. After installation done, you can see in bottom dock bar, there is a one new menu appear serial monitor. We have to remember that what is the number of COM port in our system. Just like in my PC, there is a comfort number 3, which is associated with my Arduino. Let's open the serial monitor and check. Is it working or not? Now you can see it is opening and closing successfully. Please note this: if you're already connected with serial monitor, then code will not upload. Disconnect the Arduino from serial monitor and upload the code. There is one uploading button right side of the compile button. Just hit on the upload button and now you can see flashing is started. After the flashing is done, just open the serial monitor and set the baud rate to 9600. Now open the COM port. You can see whatever we write in the serial.print. It will going to print in console. Let's have a fun. Change the text just like you can write your own name. And I'm going to write the tut by. Recompile the code and uploaded it. See, it is working. Thank you guys. In next lecture we will talk about what is the peripherals, just like GPIO and memory units, and then we will start learning the how to configure the GPIO in platform IO. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe and hit the like button.